We'll guide you through how to make a brochure on Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your desktop and go to the template gallery at the top right. This is where you can find various templates to get started quickly. Scroll down until you find the brochure template. Click on it to open a new document with the brochure layout already set up for you. This template will have placeholders for text, images, and other elements you might want to include in your brochure. You can click on each section to edit the text to fit your content. To change an image, click on it and choose Replace Image from the toolbar, then select your desired image from your computer or directly from Google Drive. To change the color scheme or fonts, go to the Format menu, select Text or Paragraph styles, and make your adjustments there. This allows you to customize the look and feel to match your brand or personal style. If you need to add more pages or sections, simply copy and paste the existing layout, then adjust as needed. When you're happy with your design, you can download the brochure as a PDF by clicking on File, then Download, and choosing PDF document. This ensures that your formatting stays intact when sharing or printing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.